Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. There's a broad band of cloud moving through the central parts of the country, bringing a few showers to the area. And on Saturday afternoon, there were also a few thunderstorms in places over the Free State and the Eastern Cape. Along the west coast, an upper air trough is moving through, along with an onshore flow coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. And the combination of these two have brought showers to the area, as well as a drop in temperature. It's been an especially chilly day for some of the region, including around the peninsula. Heading into tomorrow, it is going to be clearer and therefore drier across that area, while the showers will have shifted to the Eastern Cape during the first half of the day. We will see some clearance taking place as the day goes on. East of this, showers and thunderstorms likely over parts of the Highveld, including around Gauteng, and it will be an especially wet day for some parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Speaking of KZN, here's the detailed forecast for the province. We see lots of cloud in the southern parts, keeping temperatures low for Maritzburg as well as for Kokstad. Up in the north, mainly thunderstorm activity in the late afternoon and evening. Some of those thunder showers could be quite vigorous. In the Eastern Cape, there'll be morning showers for the province, a gradual clearance taking place. It's going to be a cool day in this area with temperatures generally below 20 degrees in the afternoon. Drying out as we head westwards, Oudtshoorn, 6 and 21 your temperatures. It's going to be a chilly morning all across the Karoo. And along the west coast, we see a somewhat warmer day in this area. Cape Town and Langebaan get to a high of 20 degrees. In the Northern Cape, it's also going to be cooler, although clear for this province. All across this area, we'll see maximum temperatures in the upper teens and low 20s. A cooler day as well for Bloemfontein at 22 degrees, while over the Eastern Free State, there is a possibility for a couple of isolated thunder showers. Similar into the northwest, where we could see a few storms around Zeerust and Rustenburg. Those areas will be warmest, with temperatures getting into the low 30s. And it's still going to be a hot day in Limpopo, even though there's going to be quite a bit of cloud. And along with that, we could have a couple of thunderstorms in places, but the low veld should remain dry. Into Mpumalanga, and we can see some wet weather in this province as well, especially for the southern parts. In Kondo, you have a 60% chance for afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Finally, into Gauteng, patchy thunder showers for this province. It's going to gradually clear from the south during the late afternoon hours. Pretoria, mostly cloudy with a maximum of 30 degrees Celsius. Winds are going to be moderate once again around Gauteng and the Eastern Free State at 30 kilometers per hour, while fresh to strong winds have been forecast for the east coast of the country. Let's take a look at Monday's weather, when we're expecting it to be a dry day all across South Africa. No cloud in sight for Gauteng. Johannesburg, you get to 28 degrees. And on Tuesday, a cold front will be moving in over the western parts, bringing some rainfall to the Western Cape.